हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट साउंड डैम्पनिंग एंड हाउ आई डिड साउंड डैम्पनिंग इन माय Hyundai Kona इलेक्ट्रिक। सो ओवरव्यू मैं आपको देता हूँ। अभी इस वीडियो का जो ये पार्ट आप देख रहे हैं इसमें सारी साउंड डैम्पनिंग कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँ। इट इज़ बीन 4 to 5 days. It took me 4 to 5 days because I was doing it from bit and pieces and it was complete do it yourself वाला पार्ट था, DIY वाला पार्ट था ये। सो लेट्स सी हाउ बीन द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ इट। सो रिजल्ट्स ये भी उस तरह नहीं है कि आई हैव दोज मीटर्स, साउंड डेसिबल मीटर दैट विल बी कमिंग इन फ्यूचर कोर्स। सो पहले हम जानेंगे कि मैंने करा क्या है। बेसिकली हमने हुंडई में इलेक्ट्रिक्स में हमने व्हील आर्च क्लैडिंग्स को निकाल के डैम्पिंग करी है और हमने ये जो चारों डोर्स हैं हमारे डोर्स में डैम्पनिंग करी है। सो डिफरेंस कैसे पता चलेगा? जैसे यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं ये साउंड डैम्पन है, ऑल डैम्पन एंड इफ आई ओपन द डोर एंड दे क्लोज इट विद मोर थर्ड एंड हेयर ऑल्सो। सो बोर्ड भी डैम्पन किया है, इसका जो डिक्की है वो भी डैम्पन किया है, क्लैडिंग्स भी डैम्पन किए हैं। सो दिस इज़ जस्ट overview of this video which you will be seeing it. If you watch it completely you will have all the details. So the material I sourced was from STP standard STP material था इसका। जो डैम्पन 20 शीट्स मेरी लगी हैं चारों डोर्स, रियर बूट में और टेल गेट में, और सीट्स के नीचे भी मैंने डैम्पिंग करी है। एंड कुछ शीट्स मेरी लगी हैं व्हील आर्च क्लैडिंग पे। 5 शीट्स मेरी लगी हैं व्हील आर्च क्लैडिंग के लिए, जो जहाँ जहाँ प्लास्टिक क्लैडिंग था उसके ऊपर। और प्लास्टिक क्लैडिंग्स पे एक स्पेसिफिक मटेरियल आता है विच इज़ यूज्ड इन बोनट्स फॉर आइस इंजन कार्स। सो वहाँ पे वो वाला मटेरियल्स थोड़ा सा लाइट वेट होता है, तो वो यूज़ किया गया to dampen the wheel arch claddings, which you will be seeing in the subsequent video. So why sound dampening is required and why it is necessary and how does it help? So पहला क्वेश्चन ये है, why is sound dampening, what is sound dampening or deadening? So most modern cars are usually equipped with sound dampening and it depends upon manufacturer to manufacturer. कई manufacturers इसको ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, कई मैन्युफैक्चरर ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते। सो हर गाड़ी में कुछ ना कुछ साउंड डैम्पनिंग करके गाड़ी आती ही है। ऐसा नहीं है कि गाड़ियों में साउंड डैम्पनिंग या साउंड प्रूफिंग होती ही नहीं है। सो क्रिटिकल पार्ट्स में साउंड डैम्पनिंग करी होती है एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे डिपेंड्स अपॉन द यूज़र कि आपने साउंड डैम्पनिंग करनी है नहीं करनी है। सो इसमें 2-3 एस्पेक्ट्स हैं। बेसिक बिहाइंड साउंड डैम्पनिंग तो वैसे ही रहता है कि गाड़ी में रेजोनेंस, गाड़ी एक तरह का क्लोज कंपार्टमेंट है, उसमें रेजोनेंस होता है। रेजोनेंस के करके हमें वाइब्रेशंस, चलते हुए टायर का नॉइज़, फिर आइस कार्स में इंजन का नॉइज़, वो सारे कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं जिनको एनवीएच लेवल्स बोलते हैं। तो हर गाड़ी के एनवीएच लेवल अलग अलग हैं। द मोर प्रीमियम यू गो द बेटर साउंड डैम्पन कार यू गेट, बेटर एनवीएच लेवल्स। वो तो ऑब्वियस ही है बिकॉज जितनी कॉस्ट गाड़ी की बढ़ जाएगी और Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. In this particular video we'll be talking something about sound dampening. My previous car Brezza, it is fully dampened, floor, roof, dashboard, doors, panels, dicky, tailgate, everything is dampened. So in my Kona I am planning to do I'm planning to do all the 4 doors with the plastic panels, dual dampening, the rear seats, the dicky space where the spare tire is, along with the side walls along with. Then we will be doing the tailgate and then another thing would be the 4-wheel arches, the wheel claddings. I've removed the wheel claddings yesterday, so it was rainy today, so I didn't have time to do it. So here's the cladding which I removed. These are the 4 claddings. Easy to remove, not that much of an effort. These are dirty. I will be now cleaning them so that a foam based damping sheet can be applied over them. and there is adequate space to get this extra 1 to 2 mm thickness on these claddings. So this is the wheel arches I'm just showing you. So we will be applying dampening sheet over here also, wherever the cladding coincides. That's it. So I've removed the claddings from the wheels. Roof I'm not doing the front floor, and not the complete floor, because it gets a battery pack below, so that much I don't think so the noise would be contributing much over there. So let's see how are the results. So first step today would be cleaning the claddings, getting the claddings installed, because that's the most difficult part, because you have to remove the spare you have to remove all the tires to get access to these claddings. Doors and those things are not very difficult, so that is in my next part. The materials all is sorted, so I would be discussing about the materials in the next video. Thank you. So these are the wheel claddings which we removed, and these are cleaned up now, getting dried. So over these there will be a foam based damping sheet which will go. In the next part of the video you will see all damping sheet applied over them. So cladding work, half of the work is over, so let's see how it goes. So welcome back, friends. So as we were discussing about the dampening in my Kona electric, so the claddings I have removed, the wheel arch cladding, so and placed a dampening material over it. It's a light one, so let's have a look how it has went. So these are the claddings now, fully the material has been placed over here. So it's all ready to get installed, and let's see how this goes. Thank you. Let's see how we will be doing dampening on the wheel cladding. This is a left rear wheel cladding. So here you can see there is this corrugated surface. This is probably got that soundproofing and rust rubber seal kind of a material. Yeah. So we will be placing the dampening sheets over this area only. This area basically overlaps with the plastic cladding. Yeah. So we'll be applying dampening over here. So here is our this damp sheet. This is not the one which we have placed over here, because this is very light. This one is what we usually use in damping. So let's start. In the next frame I will be showing you the right rear, then the front right, then the front left. Yeah, that's it. So we have completed the dampening over the overlap portion of the cladding. So here it is. It's all now placed properly. It's a bit dark actually these days in winters. The light is usually less, around 4:30 p.m. So now we will be fitting this cladding over it. Let's see how it goes. So the cladding is in place. Let's fix the tire. So now I will be showing you the right rear wheel cladding, the interior which I have dampened. Let's see. So this is completely dampened. Now this is the area which will be overlapping the plastic cladding. So let's just fit it. This is how it looks. So this is the front part. So we just dampened over here. This is a marking that it will be exposed, so just only got the back one because there's nothing in the front, just this, nothing doing there. So there is already a plastic cladding over here. We are just strengthening it. Yes, strengthening it. Similarly would be the right, this is the right wheel arch. Similar would be the left wheel arch. So let's see how this sound dampening goes. Thank you. स्टार्ट वाली वीडियोस में आपने देखा होगा कि हम कोना इलेक्ट्रिक को डैम्पन कर रहे हैं, जिसमें हमने क्लैडिंग्स कर दी हैं, फ्रंट डोर्स हमने कर दी हैं. उसकी इमेजेस हैं मेरे पास, वीडियो नहीं बना पाया मैं, उसमें अंधेरे में कर रहा था. सो पैनल रिमूव कर दिया हमने इसका. ये एक प्लास्टिक कवर है, विच रिमूव दिस एंड देन वी विल बी अप्लाइंग द डैम्पिंग शीट्स. एंड जो प्लास्टिक में रिमूव किया उसके ऊपर क्या क्या और कहाँ पे क्या क्या करूँगा मैं आपको इन the next part of the video आपको पता चल जाएगा. So let's see how it goes. So this is the open panel. Here you can see there is a sheet. We will remove the sheet. These are 2 screws you have to remove. Then we will place damping material inside, then over these gaps. That's it. Let me show you the other door which I had dampened. Let's see. Here the door has been dampened. It is done. So it's a similar kind of thing would be done in the door which we are working now. That's it. So this is the door which we have done. You can see this door is fully dampened now. Only panels are to be fit. See, this all is dampened. And let's see the Dicky which we have dampened. This again is dampened. So this material which I use, this is the lighter one, not the heavier one. This one is lighter. Inside also we have done the dampening, so this is complete. So only panels need to go now. Everything is done and dusted, and only this space I think I will have to do. That's it. Maybe I will do inside this also, but that will be a later part. I think rest we have covered all the dampening in the sheet, which is the plastic panels. There would be a softer material going, which I will show you later part of the video. That's it. Now we will just see post dampening how the results are. So this is this door. Yeah, so I'm doing it in night because there's no time in the day. Thank you. So the board is completely dampened now. So that's the rear, and we've done here also, and here also. So now we will be putting the panels. Thank you. So this is the door panel. It's already got some noise dampener over here. We just strengthen it. So similarly it's over here. You can see. So they're already providing a good material over here. We just put this on Blaupankt. This is this gets an adhesive along with it. It's this door pad vibration DPVA 2.0. It's a sort of pack of 4. So we will just cut and paste it over here. Just strengthen this already installed sheet. So this is the boot panel. It already has this good sound cladding over here. So we will just add some DAVP sheet over here. That's it. We do not want to make it more heavy, because if we make it more heavy, the boot lid would be really not be withstanding, those gas struts would not be withstanding the weight. So we just add on some material over here. That's it. Cut that Blaupankt material. That's it. So this is the rear boot panel. So this is how it looks. It already had that material, so I just added some bits which were kind of left over. You may not require to do anything over it, because you've already done the dampening over the rear boot. Yeah, so let's see this. So here we have this door panel. This is all dampened. We have just strengthened the already installed cladding over here. This is for the rear first, and this is the second one. The same it is here. So the only thing that remains is the installation. Let's hope it doesn't give that much pain to install it, because it just gets a little bit thicker and it requires some effort to install. Back again. Thank you. So this is the last phase of our damping. So this is all dampened now. Remove the seats. So all is dampened, and it would be rearing to get refitted. So that's sideways dampened complete. Here dampened complete. The fitting remains, and then we will see how the results are overall of all this mega damping exercise in Hyundai Kona. So we have done 4 doors. This rear tailgate, you can say, yes, tailgate. Then all rear and the claddings as well. Thank you.